Morning children, welcome back to GK class. 27th lesson, sports and the games. Sports and games are vitally important parts of a life and education. Through sports and the games, we learn how to overcome the challenges of life. Some common sports and games are given below. Yes children, without games and sports, life would be like a barren land. And these are the important parts of the life and education. Here we will learn how to overcome the challenges, how to win over the opponents. So here they have given some common sports and the games. So firstly there is a hockey. Hockey is a game played between the two teams. There will be 11 players and each have, and there will be a rectangular ground children. The field of hockey will be 100 yards long and 60 yards wide. The goals are 4 yards wide and 7 feet high. For a goal, what they have to do is they have to shoot the ball in the semicircle, but it should be touched by an attacker children. Okay, only the attacker should not touch barely by his hand. It should be touched by the stick of hockey, and that should go and reach to the goal. The stick weighs 12 to 28 ounces. And how long it is? 36 to 38 inches long. And they can use the flat side of the stick to strike the ball. If the ball is hit by the teams, then it should reach to the semicircle only. Then only it is called as goal. Okay. Now next one is cricket. Children, cricket also is a game of bat and ball. It is played between two teams. Same as a hockey also. Hockey only. 11 players will be there. Main objective of the game is that you have to hit the ball across the boundary, or you have to gain the runs running between the wickets. That is placed 20.1 meters apart at the center of the pitch. Pitch is a playing area children, which is about 22 yards long and 10 feet wide. A wicket. Now what is a wicket? Wicket consists of 3 stumps, which will be of 28 inches in a height. At top, the wicket sit 2 loose cross pieces called biles. There will be 2 cross pieces which are called as biles. The bowler bowls and he will be aiming to hit the bails. Okay. And if the ball is hit to the bails, then the batsman is out. And the batsman, what he will do? He will defend. He will not allow the ball to hit the bails, nor he give the catches to the fielder. He tries to hit boundaries to win. The cricket ball is a flat on one side and ridged on the other, and these cricket balls are made up of wood and a handle made up of cane and rubber, and it is called as cork ball. It is called as cork ball, and it is togetherly held by leather. The outer surface of the ball will be of leather. Casing means covering. Basketball. Basketball is a game played between two teams, but here players will be only 5. And it is also played in the rectangular court. Each team will be trying to toss the ball through the opponent's goal. Here children, there will be a horizontal hoop and a net called basket. What this opponent team will be doing is they will take the ball and put in that basket. If they put or drop the ball in that basket, then they will score the point. The standard basket court is in the shape of rectangle 28 meter by 15 meter. There will be a metal rim of the basket, children, which is above the floor, and it will be spherical inflated ball. Children, the ball will be not round, it will be spherical in shape. Okay, and it measures 29 to 30 inches in the circumference, and it weighs 20 to 22 ounces, and it will be covering, and its covering will be made up of leather. Now we will see the game soccer. What is soccer? Soccer means it is a game of moving fast, played between two teams, same as a cricket and a volleyball, between 11 players. This game also will be played on the ground. The field is about 90 to 120 meters long and 45 to 90 meters wide. In this game, children, what will happen is they try to propel a ball into the rival team's goal. They should not touch except the hands and the arms. Only the goalkeeper who will be positioned there, only he must bear that. And he must defend not to pass the ball in the goal. And he may use his hands and arms, children, to send the ball back of the goal. The team that scores more will win. Lastly, volleyball. Volleyball is a game played between two teams of 6 players, children. What they will do is they will try to put the ball over the net, and they will force the opposition to play the ball out of the court, or it should be out of the net. The team which is allowed only 3 touches of the ball, children, before it return to over the net. Now there will be 6 players. Now only the three members can touch the ball and pass the over the net. Fourth one, if they touch, it is false, like, children. The game is played on a smooth surface court of 30 feet wide by 60 feet long. Yes, children, this game is played on the smooth surface court, which is of 30 feet wide and 60 feet long, which is divided by center line into the 2 equal areas, one of which will be selected or assigned to each of 2 competing teams, either here or other there. A tightly stretched net will be there between them, children, exactly middle, and it heights 850 for men and 750 4.25 inches for women. So they differs in for women and men. The ball which is used will be around 9 to 10 ounces, and it will be inflated to about 26 inches in the circumference. Badminton is a court or a lawn game played with light-weighted rackets and shuttlecock. And this badminton is usually played inside, and it is called indoor game, because even the light winds will affect the goals or points of the shuttlecock. The rectangular court will be 44 feet long and 17 feet wide for singles, and for doubles 20 feet wide for doubles. And the net feet will be 5 feet high, and it will stretch across and it will be in the center. The game consists entirely volleying. What will happen, children? These games, they must not let the cock fall down. They will be hitting the cock till it across the net. Okay, and it should not touch the floor or a ground. Within the boundaries of the court only it should be played. Now choose the correct answer and fill in the blank. Soccer is a national game of. It is national game of Italy. Cricket is a national game of England. Hockey is a popular game of India. This everyone should remember. Badminton is a national game of Indonesia. And last one, volleyball is a national game of Sri Lanka. So here completes your 27th lesson, sports and games. Thank you, children.